Planning a beach vacation and confused between Maldives, Mauritius and Seychelles? I have been to all three and today I will help you decide where to go. It took me 15 years to make this reel because that's when I first visited Maldives, and since then I have been curious to know what other island countries have to offer. Let's first talk about accessibility. From Mumbai, Maldives is 2.5 hours, Seychelles is 4.5 hours and Mauritius is 6.5 hours. So Maldives wins for the easiest weekend getaway. Let's now talk about topography. When I first visited Maldives, I realized there are literally no roads in this island country. Each island has a resort of its own, and the only way to go from one resort to another is by boat or seaplane. Once you check in, your sightseeing is basically walking from your villa to the spa or the restaurant. Mauritius feels like a posh upmarket Goa. You can hire a self-drive car, drive across the country, visit beaches, cafes, clubs and even food trucks. There are waterfalls, volcanoes and sightseeing options beyond your resort. Seychelles is closer to Mauritius in vibe. You can rent a car here as well and drive yourself to beaches or fruit farms, but when it comes to sightseeing variety, Mauritius still has the edge. Talk about hotels. Well, the Maldives is known for the ultra-luxury resorts with overwater villas and private islands, making it a dream destination, but with limited options for budget travelers. Seychelles too leans on the expensive side, offering exclusive resorts and boutique stays with fewer or mid-range choices. Mauritius, on the other hand, caters to a wider spectrum, from luxury resorts and honeymoon villas to affordable hotels and guest houses, making it the most versatile in terms of price range. Water sports? Well, Maldives is unbeatable here. Coral reefs, diving, even a sunken ship to explore. Let's talk about the currency. One Maldivian rupiah is about 6 Indian rupees. One Mauritian rupees is 2 Indian rupees. And one Seychelles rupee is again 6 rupees. So here's my take. Go to Maldives if you want pure luxury and water sports. Go to Mauritius if you love beaches and road trips. Go to Seychelles if you want something in between. And for the best travel recommendations,